Hello friends, I am Rashmi Patel. Today we learn class 9 Sanskrit subject in English medium. Today's our lesson number 4, Vallabhi Vidyasthana. Vidyasthana means the place of learning. Vallabhi, the place of learning. First paragraph today. समप्रति विविधाः विश्वविद्यालयाः सुप्रसिद्धाः सन्ति. विविधाः many विश्वविद्यालयाः universities सुप्रसिद्ध famous. Okay. Now there are many universities that are very famous. Now there are many universities that are very famous. तेषु केचन एकादश सन्ति. एकादश means among them तत्र अध्ययनार्थ प्रवेश प्राप्य छात्र स्वात्मनं धन्यं मन्यते. अध्ययनार्थ means study, प्रवेश admission, प्राप्य get छात्र student, स्वात्मनं means it himself, धन्य means lucky, manyate means consider. Among them there are such that a student consider himself lucky if he gets admission to study there. एवमेव पुरातनकाले अपि अस्माकं भारते देशे एतादृश बहवः विश्वविद्यालय आसन. एतादृश बहवः सच विश्वविद्यालय यूनिवर्सिटीज अस्माकं our भारत name of our country, देश our country. पुरातनकाले means in the past time. एवमेव in such a way. Exactly in the same way. Eva means exactly, Meva means in the same way. In the past also there was such university in our country India. तत्र विद्याध्ययनाय दूरान्तदेशात् समागत्य प्रवेशः लब्ध्वा छात्रा स्वात्मानं धन्यं मन्यते. विद्या अध्ययनार्थ, okay, means study. Okay, vidya means for study. Durata means distance. Desata means country. Samagata means coming. Pravesham admission. Labdhava chhatra lucky. Chhatra means student. Obtain, okay, labdha means obtain, admission, get. Swatmanam himself, dhanya manyate, lucky, manyate means consider. The students coming from distant countries used to consider themselves, okay, swatmanam himself, we are themselves, blessing, lucky, having secure admission, loved secure admission there. Esu ekatam Vallabhi Vishwavidyalaya. Esu means among. This one of Vallabhi University. Ekatam, one of Vallabhi University, is among one of Vallabhi University. मगध राज्ये यथा नालंदा आसीत् तथैव अत्र गुज्जर प्रदेशे वल्लभी आसीत्. As there was Nalanda, the university name Nalanda in the kingdom of Magda. मगध राज्य में जो नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी है वैसे ही similarly here in Gujarat there was Vallabhi. वैसे गुजरात में वल्लभी यूनिवर्सिटी है. अत्रापि सुदूरात् देशात् जना अध्ययनाथ आगच्छति. Agachati means come. Atrapi here. Sudurata distant countries. Jana people. Here also people used to come for study. Here also people used to come study. Adyativa. At a present time, अस्मदीपे गुजरात प्रदेश वर्तमाने भावनगरे जनपदे वल्लभी नामक यदेकम उपनगर वर्तते. तत्रैव प्राचीन काले वल्लभी विश्वविद्यालय आसीत्. At present time, अस्मदीय गुजरात प्रदेश in our state Gujarat state भावनगर जनपदे in place of भावनगर वल्लभी नामक यदेकम उपनगर means suburb. प्राचीन काले in ancient time. Okay, so here at present time in Bhavnagar district which is in our state Gujarat, there is one suburb by the name of Vallabhi, where in ancient time there was Vallabhi University. Okay, here first paragraph is complete. We learn second paragraph. वस्तुतस्तु इदम उपनगरम प्राचीन कालदेव अध्यापनस्य केंद्र आसीत्. Actually, indeed, वस्तुतस्तु means indeed, yeah, actually, उपनगर suburb, this suburb was the center. Kendra means center of learning. Adyan means learning. Adyanam means teaching. Prachina Kala means ancient time. Actually, this suburb was the center of learning and teaching from the ancient time. Purvam matra अष्टादश विद्यालय पठन पाठनम च भवति स्म. Purva mantra means in the past. Here Pathan Pathan means learning and teaching. Pathan, learning, Pathan, teaching. Ashtadasa means 18. Vidyaya means Vidyas. In the past, here the learning and teaching of 18 Vidyas used to take place. Some Bodhisma. Etasu Vidyasu Chatvaro Vedas, Sast Vedagani, Purana न्यायाः मीमांसा स्मृतिः आयुर्वेदे धनुर्वेदे गंधर्ववेदे अथर्ववेदः चत्वारः उपवेदाः समाविष्टा सन्ति. समाविष्टा means include. चत्वारः 4. Okay. Among them were include 4 चत्वारः 4 Vedas, 6 Vedangas, Purana, Nyaya, Mimasa, Smritis, Ayurveda, Dhanurveda, Gandharva Veda, Atharva Veda, and the 4 Vedas. In this university include studies like 4 Vedas, 6 Vedangas, Puranas, Nyaya, Mimasa, Smriti, Ayurveda, Dhanurveda, Gandharva Veda, Atharva Veda, and 4 Vedas. Tatah Bodh Darshanasya, Jaina Darshanasya, cha idam kendra sajjata. Later, after that, okay, this became the center of Jain and Buddhist philosophy. Darshanasya philosophy, Bodh and Jain, name of religions. Okay, so here Bodh and Jain's philosophy, the center of Jain and Buddhist philosophy. Christosya Chaturtha Saptabdham Rugvedasya Bhaskara Sakand Swami Sajjata. ख्रीष्टस्य ईस्वीसन पूर्वे, okay, means AD, Anno Domini. In the 4th century AD, Anno Domini, second Swami. In the 4th century, second AD, second Swami, the commentator of Rig Veda, lived, enslaved. सह अत्रैव अवस्थ. This he lived here only. He lived here only. एतत् सूचयति यत् गुप्तकाले अत्र वेदाध्ययनमपि प्रचलित स्म. He indicate, सूचयति means indicate that in the Gupta period, Gupta Kali means Gupta period, even the study of Vedas was going on. Veda Dhyana means Vedas going on. ख्रीष्टस्य चतुर्थं शताब्दमेव सुप्रसिद्ध बौद्धाचार्य स्थिरमति गुणमति जैनाचार्य श्री मल्लवादी सूरी च अत्रैव विद्या विषयाङ्गः कुर्वन्ति स्म. In the 4th century, Christosya Purva, in the 4th century, Saptabdam century AD, Anno Domini, only the very famous, Suprasiddho, the very famous Buddhist Acharya, means teachers, yeah, Acharya, here we'll take word Acharya, okay. In the 4th century AD, means Anno Domini, only famous Buddhist Acharya, Srimati and Gunmati. Here part of two words, okay. Srimati and Gunmati, and Jain teacher, means Jain Acharya, means Jain Acharya, Sri Mallavadi Suri were studying here only. He also studying there. एतत् सूचयति यदत्र जैन बौद्धदर्शनापि अध्ययनं प्रचलितं स्म. This indicate also this show that the study of Jain and Buddha philosophy was also going here. In this Vallabhi University also studying there Jain and Buddhist philosophy. Okay. Yatra yatharuchi yathamati chhatra apatana. Yatharuchi yathamati. Okay. The student then study. Yatharuchi means liking. Yathamati means intelligence. Here the student studies according to their liking and intelligence. Here. प्रवेशामत्र प्रवेश परीक्षामपि भवति स्म. Here in this university there used to be entrance exam for the admission here. Before admission here, take a entrance exam. Tatam उत्तीर्यम् एव अत्र छात्रस्य प्रवेशः शक्यः आसीत्. Only after passing, उत्तीर्ण means passing, उत्तीर्ण means pass. Passing it, admission was possible. Pravesham shakya, possible. Here after passing it, the admission was possible. ख्रीष्टस्य पंचमया शताब्द इदम उपनगरम मैत्रकाणां राजधानी आसीत्. In the 5th century, ख्रीष्टस्य पंचम means 5th, सप्तम means century. ख्रीष्टस्य means AD, after century. In the 5th century AD, this suburban Idam Upnagaram means suburb was the capital city of Maitrakaana kings. मेट्रकाणा राजधानी, राजधानी मीन्स कैपिटल। मेट्रकाणा व्यवस्थानुसार अध्ययनस्य समाप्तरं अनन्तरं वादसभायां शास्त्रार्थः भवति स्म। According to procedures laid down by Matrakas, according to Matrakas, after the complete of samapta means complete of study adhyanasya, used to a sessions of sabhayam means assembly of completion of study. There used to be assembly of interrupting the meaning of scriptural passage means shastrat in the debate assembly. So here according to Matraka, they completed study after arrange a assembly for shastrat. Okay, here scripture to take the conversation means what debate competition, debate assembly. शास्त्रार्थी विभिन्न मत मतांतर खंडन मंडन पूर्वकम विमर्श भवति स्म. In this assembly called Shastrat, there used to be discussion consisting of refutations. Khandan means refutation and provide stabilizing of different ideas before arriving at a conclusion. Vimarsha means conclusion. Vimarsha means conclusion. In this debate competition, in this debate assembly, there are given many views and giving motive and providing them after conclusion at a different idea before arriving the conclusions. अनेकश में विजयी जनाय राजा पारितोषिकम रूपेण भूमिमा अजुटे. And finally, after completing the debate assembly and winners candidate, the king gave him a land. कदाचित विजय विनानाय नामांकित विद्यापीठस्य द्वारे उत्कटकीटानि भवत. Sometimes the name of the victorious scholars after the winning scholar's name is engraved on the door, inscribed it the door of the university. To do in debate competition में डेबिट असेंबली में जो छात्र जो कैंडिडेट जो विनर होता है उसको पारितोषिक के रूप में रिवॉर्ड के रूप में उसे क्या दिया जाता है, लैंड दी जाती है. और कई बार तो जो पर्सन विजयी होता है उसका जो नाम है वो यूनिवर्सिटी के द्वार के ऊपर कर्व किया जाता है मीन्स कर्व CRUVE कर्व किए जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. ख्रीष्टास्य पूर्व प्राय 5म शताब्दम भगवतः महावीरस्य जन्म अभवत्. In the 5th century BC, here पूर्वे, so here we write BC before Christ. Okay, ईस्वीसन in the 5th century BC, Lord Mahavir was born approximately Mahavir was born in the 5th century BC. तस्मिन् काले भगवता महावीरेण यः उपदेशः प्रदत्तः स आगम नाम प्रसिद्ध वर्तते. The instruction is given by Lord Mahavir. The instruction is given by Lord Mahavir. Then is famous by the name of Agam. जो महावीर भगवान महावीर ने जो उपदेश दिया, वो किस नाम से प्रसिद्ध हुआ? आगम नाम से प्रसिद्ध फेमस हुआ। अयम आगम वर्ष 65 यावत मौखिक परंपरायाम सुरक्षित आसीत। सुरक्षित मीन्स सेफ फॉर कितने साल तक? तो वर्ष 65 मीन्स 500, सेफ फॉर 500 years। मौखिक मीन्स ओरल, परंपरा मीन्स ट्रेडिशन। दिस आगम was safe for 500 years in the oral tradition। एवं हि श्रूयते यत् ख्रीष्टस्य तृतीयं शताब्द नागार्जुन नाम्ना प्रसिद्ध विदुष अध्यक्षतायाम् एका जैन साधुनां समिति मिलिता। In this time the 3rd century AD, okay, it is indeed here that in the 3rd century AD a council of Jain monks met under the chairmanship of famous scholar Nagarjuna। अस्याम आगम ग्रंथनां लेखनस्य प्रस्तावोद्भूत। In this meeting, the proposal of writing down the Agam Granths was placed। अत्र लेखबद्धा वाणी वल्लभी वाचना नाम प्रसिद्ध जात। and the speech, Mahavir speech transcript here become famous by the name Vallabhi Vacha। The here Mahavir speech become famous by the name of Vallabhi Vachana। ख्रीष्टस्य नवम्या शताब्द्यां वल्लभी नगरस्य विनाशः अभवत्। In the 9th century AD, the suburb of Vallabhi was destroyed। परंतु तस्य अवशेषाः अद्यापि तस्य सुप्रसिद्ध सूचयति मीन्स इंडिकेट। but even अद्यापि मीन्स today it's remain indicate its prosperity। एवं भारतस्य प्राचीनेषु विद्याकेन्द्रेषु वल्लभी एकतमम् आसीत्। इतिहासे च अद्यापि वर्तते। In this way, Vallabhi was one of the ancient centers of learning in India, and in history it still is। In this way, Vallabhi was one of the ancient centers of learning in India, and in history it still is। Here our lesson is complete। Full translation in this lesson। Next period we learn in exercise।